Alright, day 3.
Morning.
With a very impersonal breakfast.
Fruit cocktail.
Eating inside the tent.
It's actually a very tasty breakfast, oh my god.
It's fantastic. Aside from it can get a little sticky, and it's a little bit chilly outside, so we compromised and we're eating
kind of
outside, kind of inside. But it's like, what, probably around 8:30 now?
I want to be at that spot around like lunchtime.
The town around lunchtime, or
No,
like
not the
final destination?
That's not the final destination. That's like the first thing we want to see today. So, I don't know. Maybe we got to see the glacier today.
Maybe.
The big one, the biggest one in Europe. I don't know what it's called because I can't freaking read it.
It's the general theme so far is, oh yeah, here's something.
Here's a thing. We should probably be here, but I don't know what it's called or what it does.
All right, so I didn't get to film much of our of the campsite, like being actually there, but pretty much we went over that hill and parked in some field somewhere. But the main thing about this place is these things. Look at it. You got Brandon right there taking his stuff, and yeah, we're gonna be heading out to hopefully the glacier today. You got me in there?
Fucking stay still.
Sorry. Okay, so we're coming up to this magnificent looking thing. Small one over there, but we're gonna have a march into that thing. Because you can see people going behind it. We're gonna be one of those people. Look at this place. The ocean's right over back there somewhere. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Are you awake yet?
This is the shower they were talking about.
Yeah, no, I love this. Watch your step though. It's really windy right about there. But onwards we go. I feel like they could have handled this rocky steps better.
This is where you get the shower.
Alright, Brandon just bailed on me, but oh yeah. Oh my god, look. Oh Jesus. Sweet, dude. Look at this. Oh.
Stop giving me cameras I've never used before.
That was way more than I bargained for.
You're so soaked. And
like, it came down on me like so much harder that time.
Because there's people in flip-flops in front of us and like
Oh my lord. Trying to get the hell out of here now. I feel like they didn't think this path through. Like, it's a poor choice of path, I think. I am soaked. Oh, Lord. Should have camped here, because by the looks of things, you can. Yeah, we're headed towards this thing here. Skógafoss. So we're going up there. Oh, you ready to get wet again?
and let the mist begin. Dude, there's so much moss. There's the ocean. Oh. Yeah, so you just take the path down there.
Oh, this one. Yeah. Okay.
Exactly. Just running jump. Oh wow. That rock's pretty sick.
Just go up there.
On the
Take
top?
your picture, yeah.
Alright. Okay, it's a bit of a drop. Dude, we got health insurance, so like me. I'm not going up there, relax. I'm going over there. A little bit of a drop.
Okay, so we're pretty high up this little, I'm gonna call it the side of a mountain, because that's what it is. Like, that's the bottom, and that's the ocean right over there. Brandon just went over there to a little ridge. What's up, dude?
So when we realized that there was a crab claw in the bottom of our car,
Randomly.
so that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, just randomly, there's a
just randomly a crab claw.
Manner.
Good old snack break, lunch break. It's like probably 2 o'clock.
Easily, maybe more.
Easily. I don't know. It's 1:40.
Hey, made some pretty good time.
Pretty good time. We spent a lot of time here though.
That bus has a backpack on it.
That bus is not going to be able to turn back. Might.
Have you seen the drivers around here?
They're fucking insane. I think I fit right in.
So is this guy. Well, that's why I'm driving. What are you talking about? This is totally natural.
I think if they were holy, I wouldn't just walk through them anyways.
Right, so it says on here, these little rock mounds here, it's a tradition apparently to just add a stone and bring in good luck. You find a stone anywhere?
No.
Oh, well, I'm sure we'll find one. I'm gonna go find a rock. You knew it wasn't gonna stay on there.
It was totally gonna stay if I got it to balance, maybe.
Got mine.
I have chosen.
It's going right there.
Alright, so we pulled over at a bit of a rest stop here. For the past, I don't know, probably 30 kilometers or so. We've been driving around in a bunch of this. My guess is it's a bunch of magma flows, just based on what the rocks look like. Very porous, which makes it kind of cool, and pointy, prickly. Dude, this stuff's awesome. And heavier than I expected for how porous it is. Yeah, I now have a rock sliver.
Sliver?
Yeah. Right there. Rock sliver. Yeah, magma flows covered in tons and tons and tons of moss. What an interesting and alien landscape.
I know, right?
Pasta?
What?
More pasta a la Brandon?
Yes. Yes. We're going fancy tonight. This and some of that. Because we fancy. We fancy.
Yeah, because we got a lot of free time.
That too. It's like, what, 6:30?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Maybe we can actually use the crib board this time. Alright, so this is going nice and well. We got some, it looks like soup, but this is going to be sauce for all of this stuff. I think you've insulated it well, so
That's the idea.
props to you, bud. So we put about 150 into there, 150 grams of mushrooms in the soup, in the sauce, and that's going to taste freaking amazing.
Oh yeah. So, dinner's done, or ready to be eaten, and it's freaking amazing. Aside from a minor sauce catastrophe,
Oh, shit.
but it's a little bit on the crib board there. Yeah, it got hot and it went from not stirring at all to stirring very, very fast. We lost a little bit of sauce and it's all over everything, but
It's on the.
we'll clean it up.
Bottle.
Chef Prego and dollar store or no-name brand mushrooms.
The shrooms were a good idea.
Oh yeah.
So good. I mean, we're camping, so
So it's a winner.
anything is so good.
Sweet.
Mm.